Hey guys, we're here
at the Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion 2021.
It doesn't look very smoky though. I like that. We should stay on the East Coast a little more often.
It's hot as Hades though, that's the only bad thing about it.
It is warm.
The FC is here. Like, how is that possible? People think it's not running. I've had a lot of people say that they never thought I would get it running, and it was impossible. Nothing is impossible.
What you doing, Matt?
Driving my FC.
To where?
To the Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion. Jeep Invasion! Woo!
This is Charlie.
Hey, Charlie.
We're big fans.
You're gonna be on YouTube now.
Oh no, how's my hair? Hello, YouTube.
Dude, that's
That is cool.
Love the channel. Watch the crap out of it. Been watching it for years. Yeah.
James Belcher, AMC Jeep Man on Instagram. This is Carolina Trailblazers 50th anniversary raffle with Jeep. Come check it out. We're giving away this Jeep to support True Patriot Veterans Organization and the Masonic Home for Children. We're here at the Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion. BleepinJeep's out here too. Come on, check us out. Buy some raffle tickets and have a great time. Y'all be wonderful.
I know you were struggling with it for a little bit with all those motors.
I was struggling hard whenever we found out that motor wasn't running, and I had to find something quick. So
Yeah. You got this one running yet? You got it driving and everything?
we've been driving it around town.
Have you getting crazy looks?
Yeah. A lot of the new Jeepers are just like,
What is that?
no idea. They're just straightforward like this.
Yeah.
So-
Stupid Volkswagen.
Yeah.
Well, we have an RC.
Is it
That's what
odd?
I built
Oh,
of
nice.
our RC thing. So
It's not comfortable.
Route 68 Vintage Toys and Collectibles out of Xenia, Ohio.
Yeah, she's got the other style wheels on it. They had this. I'm gonna give it to Matt. And I was gonna be sneaky, but now he's here. You're gonna edit that out. The man who helped us build the bed. Boom.
Yeah.
I like it with the bed liner.
People like that, so thanks for helping us.
That's great, dude. It looks perfect.
Good job.
See? It suits it. I told you it would suit it, right?
Are you learning how to dance, Matt?
Learning the dance moves. That was perfect.
What do you think? What do you think, though?
I think I'm fine.
Is it hot in here?
A little bit.
Check this out. Good job, Matt. You got a fantastic reward.
This isn't a duck, it's a golden goose.
Need a Jeep duck? All right. You control that with that?
Yes.
Oh wow, look at that. That's cool.
Yeah, Marvin was scared to sign it. He said no.
Are you gonna sign it right over Brittany's name? That's kind of jerky.
I like that.
I'll just do this.
It's like we signed a yearbook right there.
Yeah.
That's
I'll have
awesome.
the
Thank
cap.
you guys. So I was doing really good until somebody wrecked into me.
They ripped into me hard. But he won. That won.
Did you see my? It was bouncing so hard. The alignment was nuts. So we gotta go again.
You straight Dale Earnhardt me.
Hi.
So I'm Tyler Garrett, and this is my wife Rachel. We are the proud owners of this here 1991 Jeep Comanche. We decided that we wanted to build it and fix it up a little bit.
It's rescue green with extra sparkle. I mean, that's pretty much the secret formula. That's it. Like, it's just got extra flake.
So it's real close to rescue green. She did all the body work, all the paint prep, all that. And with me owning Rock Solid Fab, we decided we wanted to build custom bumpers for it. So once we put, the bumpers and everything on it, it became very heavy. It's a 2006 5.7 Hemi without MDS. We did an MDS delete on it, so it's got regular lifters in it. And then it's a Dodge Dakota bell housing for a 3.9 with the factory AX15 that I rebuilt, went through. And it's got a clutch and flywheel out of a 4.7 overhead cam V8.
Okay, yeah.
So they have the same bolt pattern on the crank, and it all bolts up and everything. And that same tooth count as a 3.9 Dakota for the starter. So all Dakota from the bell housing back, and then all like 06 Grand Cherokee from the bell housing forward. And so it all bolts together and works. You don't need any adapters.
This is my favorite little detail.
Yeah, you
If
should
you look
see
right here, it'll say the displacement is a 5.7.
Oh,
And
yeah.
So
everybody
we
knows
even-
Comanche does not come with a 5.7.
Like, it's just little details like that. We went, I had that decal made. We took the factory Jeep one and then took the one from the Grand Cherokee and kind of put everything together and made a new emissions decal so that when somebody looks at this, it's very factory appearing. So
Yeah, that's awesome.
that's pretty much what we were going for with it.
Yeah.
Just a Ford 8.8 in the back. I know BleepinJeep fans really like that swap. It's still budget minded in a lot of aspects.
Lots of pull parts.
Lots of pull parts. There's a lot of junkyard parts in this. I mean, this just goes to show anybody at home, if you spend enough time and do enough research, you don't have to have an unlimited budget to build something super cool.
I drove it every day until I got pregnant, and then I couldn't get in and out of it anymore, and we bought a 4-door, so. But yeah, I love it. It's a great truck.
Yeah. We stay at the most finest facilities.
Yeah. Look at this rail.
Yeah. It only goes all the way down.
No support.
It's on there, super stout. Don't push me into it, okay? We're gonna rush some gold. That's a naughty room. No, that you're not supposed to have that on TV.
She's a retired cop, so that all this looks
familiar.
it's familiar to her.
Jenna, are we doing the gold rush?
We are. I'm so excited. I love an escape room.
We found the secret. Go in there.
Secret door.
Secret doors. Secret doors. Check this out. Secret door through the fireplace down a dark secret tunnel. Woo. The downside to a pickup, there's only 2 seats. Hope and Matt are enjoying a romantic night on the town, and I'll sit back here and be the third wheel. But it's okay, because I'll serenade them with music. getting it! Oh, you have it! Dude, you got it. Cherokee! Oh man, we need a ducking for this one. There you go.
Thank you.
The ducks were out of control last night.
Are we done at Jeep Invasion?
We're so done. They couldn't have picked a hotter day.
It's like 1,000,000 degrees. 1,000,000 degrees.
1,001 degrees inside here.
1,001. We're in an oven. We're in a human oven. All right, guys, that's all the time we have for the Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion. But stay tuned next week where we'll be wheeling that. See you guys. If you like this video, check these ones out.
This is nuts!